Hello. I'd like to do this tune that was also by Simon and Garfunkel. I've done Bridge Over Troubled Water for you, but I would like to do this one. This one also is one very special one. I think it's lovely, and it really sends a very strong message about the future as they perceived it to be. This one's called The Sounds of Silence. By the way, if anybody wonders why I hold the words, it's because I'm unfamiliar with the song, and rather than flub up on the words, I'd like to hold this and make sure that I do it right. But my eyes are very bad, so I have to hold the paper up pretty close to me. So that's why I do it. I don't hold paper for songs that I do know very well, that I probably used to do in a band, that sort of thing. But new songs I haven't had time to learn yet, I hold up the words. And it doesn't take away from my voice or anything, and I do try to show emotion even when I hold the words. So I hope you don't really mind. I'm not in a competition right now. I'm just doing this to enjoy, for enjoyment, and hoping that people will see my voice and like it, and be positive, give positive comments, or give critiques that would help me, but not the hurtful ones. Just try to avoid being hurtful. Let's get right to the center of the matter, and if it's something that you think I could do better, please, keep it to those kind of comments. I appreciate that. I don't believe in people being hurtful for no purpose at all. Okay, here I go. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone down narrow streets of cobblestone. 'Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell. Oh, and echoed in those wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, in tenement halls, and whispered in the sounds of silence. beautiful tune, wonderful tune, very meaningful tune, written by Paul Simon and sung so well by both Simon and Garfunkel. Wonderful. I grew up listening to their music, and it really impacted me in a large way. So I thank them, too, very much. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoy it.